Hi friends, and welcome to another edition of Meet Me at the 313 Gorilla Kitchen. So tonight obviously we're starting to get the effects of Hurricane Dorian, so we are cooking inside tonight. We're not using the grill. We don't want to get soaked on and blew away. So conditions here, let me give you a little bit of an update how things look in our house in North Carolina before we get cooking for Hurricane Dorian. So I see out of our backyard right now, it's raining, the wind's blowing a little bit. We're just south of Raleigh, so Raleigh, North Carolina. So it's looking okay right now. The worst winds are going to come in later, but it's been steadily rain since lunchtime. My daughter and I have been home this afternoon, doing the right thing, which is being safe and sorry. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make, it's a homemade recipe. If you like chicken Alfredo, then this recipe is for you. So we're making chicken Alfredo, and we're going to make it the homemade version tonight. So it's a very easy recipe put together. You know, the first thing that obviously you want to do is get your water boiling so you cook your pasta. You want fettuccine noodles. That's right. You don't want angel hair spaghetti. You want fettuccine Alfredo noodles. Turn the oven on to 350. We're letting our oven warm up right now. You're going to want a can of cream of mushroom soup and 3 cans of chicken breast, and we're going to use all 3 cans, but you're going to drain the juice. We're going to get some shredded cheese. We're going to salt and pepper. We're going to blend those together. This recipe was shared with me by my wife's grandmother. It is a favorite in the family's household and in our household as well. So in just a few minutes, we're going to get everything ready. We got our pan boiling. So let's get busy. Okay, folks, so we're back in the kitchen. We got everything ready to go. So the first thing you want to do, we're going to check on our pasta. I think our pasta is about ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and drain your pasta. It's the first step that you want to do when making this delicious recipe. And what I would do while this is draining, go ahead and spray a 9x13 dish, which we have done already, so we're ready to go. I'm going to take a big measuring bowl, and we're going to put everything in one bowl, just like that. Next thing, so we want to take 3 cans of chicken breast right here. So we're going to drain out first thing we want to do is we're going to drain out the juice. Get all that drained out. We're going to add 1 can at a time. First can. Now, depending on how big of a group you're cooking for, you can add as much more cans as you like, but I prefer 3 cans. There's the second can, and there is the third can. All right, we got our chicken. Next thing we want to do is we're going to take a cream of mushroom soup. Depends what kind of brand that you get. We get our brands from Aldi. It's the Aldi brand. This is the Fit and Active Heart Healthy version of cream of mushroom soup. We're going to add that. We're going to take salt and pepper. Okay. We'll take salt and add a little bit of an itch right there. Take some salt. And we're going to take some, if I can find my pepper, here's my pepper. Alright, then we want to add a little bit of milk. So let me show you what it looks like so far. This is what the composite looks like before you mix the two together. And we're going to go ahead and start mixing it. And then what I normally do after we get everything well mixed, we're going to add a little bit of milk because you want to make this as creamy as you can. And to Avery, we are making spaghetti tonight for a 3-year-old.
I just want my spaghetti.
It's coming right up, okay? I'm filming. Okay, come on. Alright, we're going to take our milk. We got milk coming, and we've got some cheese. Okay, I'm working on Avery. I'm filming right now, honey. Okay, eat up right now. Alright.
I want it.
Give me 1 minute. Ladies and gentlemen, when we have a 3-year-old, we know that they... Okay, I'm heating up. Let's set the table. Eat nothing. All right. So folks, while I heat up her spaghetti, had a little technical difficulty there for a minute. We're going to add a little bit of milk. We want to make this, again, like I said, creamy. I'm going to blend it together. And then what I like to do is we're going to add some cheese to it. You can add whatever cheese you like, but we're going to add cheddar cheese. All right, we'll let that mix. We'll get it mixed up as much as we like to. So, folks, prior to putting on the oven, 4 minutes. So, this is what it should look like, the final product, before we put it in the dish. At this point, let's go ahead and put it in the dish. And like I say, this is a quick homemade meal. Just kind of want to spread out over. All right, we're going to cook this. I'd say maybe about 15 to 20 minutes. Or 30 minutes, because we want to let it bubble. Alright folks, it's in the oven. So in just a few minutes, this is also a wonderful good dish too, where you could put some rolls together. You can have a side salad. Again, if you like this recipe, shoot it down to me. We're going to give about 15-20 minutes. In just a minute, we're going to find out how our homemade chicken Alfredo is. We'll be right back. Alright folks, here is the final result of our homemade chicken Alfredo. As he said, you want to let it cook until it starts to bubble up. In this case, it bubbled up, so we're ready to eat. So, let's take a little bit, and we're going to try out our homemade Alfredo. Look at all that steam rising out just like that. All right, so, all right, let's have a try of the Alfredo and see how things are going with it. Try the chicken. Really good. Again, like a rainy night like it is outside while we're exploring the effects of Hurricane Dorian. This is a simple meal to put together. If you like the recipe, feel free to let me know. Again, my name is Patrick. Hope you all be safe tonight and you have enjoyed this evening edition to Meet Me at the 313 Grill and Kitchen. God bless and be safe tonight if you are riding out Hurricane Dorian.